In Innsbruck, Austria, as part of the environmental Copernicus Programme managed by the European Commission, products and applications using Sentinel-1 data have already been developed by the company GeoVil. The company works mainly on operational land monitoring and on the emergency management service.
The services are concretely, first of course, the automatic processing of the satellite data, the integration of in situ data, and then the transformation of this data into intelligent geoinformation. With intelligent geoinformation, we mean maps, we mean statistics, we mean analytical reports. In the end, very often it's just one number or a few numbers, but these numbers help decision makers to better understand how Europe is changing, how our planet is actually changing through environmental impacts.
New ESA satellites provide data to support very high-resolution images, and the advanced processing techniques that are using a range of satellite data yield extremely accurate maps of our planet.
So what you can see here on the screen is the first ever Sentinel-1 derived flood map. It was actually used by the Department of Water Affairs of Namibia, and it was processed by them through the Water Observation Information System that was implemented and developed by the European Space Agency. And the data is being used for the monthly flood reporting, also to warn the population, and most importantly, this kind of data is used to plan mitigation measures and build the kind of infrastructures that are needed in the future to protect the population from floods.
The Sentinel family long-term observations provide information that will be used by policymakers, scientists, and also research teams. At the Technical University of Vienna, the soil moisture measurements from space are part of the research.
The Sentinel program is a really very impressive program. In my view, it's the most advanced and most impressive program globally. We expect that the synergy between the different Sentinel satellites will allow us to improve the scientific quality of the algorithms. We want to go, for example, for the soil moisture product to even higher spatial resolution, for example, to go to 100 meters in pixel size. And if we do this, the land surface becomes more complex, so we need more data from other satellites to have a more detailed descriptions of the land surface. So our plan is that we start merging the Sentinel-1 and Sentinel-2 data for the retrieval.
Development of products and services downstream from Copernicus are expected to serve numerous needs, from local to transnational. Once in orbit, the Sentinel satellites are the property of the European Commission, and their data are freely available, paving the way for a wide range of applications and services in the future.